Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the sweep tool to create kind of a rubber seal for a cap. Okay, we're going to go ahead and create a new design. Now we're going to go ahead and create a circle with the circle tool. We can make this maybe 3.5 inches. Go ahead and click. We'll put a second circle in the middle. Go ahead and make that maybe 3. Okay, now we'll select to click off. And we're going to go ahead and change the mode here. We're going to go to the 3D mode. Now we're going to go ahead. We don't need the middle part, so we'll go ahead and select it, hit delete. And we're going to add a plane. So we'll go ahead and go up here to the plane tool. Click the plane tool. And we're going to hover around here to get one where we want it to go. So we want to put a plane. I guess there's okay. So go ahead and click OK to place it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and pull this part up a little bit. So select the pull tool, click on that, and go ahead and click and drag up. Maybe make it 0.2. Okay, now select to click off. All right, now we're going to go ahead and change the orientation to right. Actually, I take that back. It's front orientation. Now we're going to select the plane by clicking on it. And we're going to go ahead and change the mode here to section mode. Okay, now it shows us half of the circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our seal right here. So we'll go ahead and Control plus to zoom in. We'll use the pan tool to pan over. We're going to draw a seal there. So we'll go ahead and get the line tool. I'm going to go ahead and create a line. That's a mirror line. So go ahead and put a reference line in there. Select to click off. We'll right mouse click on the line. Set as mirror. So that way you only have to draw the top part and it'll replicate the bottom part. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get the line tool again. We're going to create, actually, we'll start up here. Click here. Go ahead and drag out. Don't want too big of a seal. We'll click there. And then go ahead and click there. Now we'll click select to click off of it. Now this is going to be like a little seal, so when you put this cap on top of a bottle, it will seal it up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get rid of the mirror line, so go ahead and hit delete. We're going to round that corner right there, so Control plus to zoom in. Go ahead and get your radius tool. We're going to go click there, maybe that's fine, that's 0.16 inch, so go ahead and click there to change it. Go ahead and pan over. Okay, that's not too bad. I want to round that too as well. So we'll go ahead and click the radius tool again. We'll click here, click over here. Maybe make this 0.130. That's fine. Click there. Same on this side. Oh, 0.130. Okay. We'll go ahead and trim off that lines that we don't need. So Control plus to zoom in. Go ahead and go to the trim away tool. Trim away that. Trim away, wrong line. Trim away that right there. Just keep zooming in. There's some small little details there that you probably would miss. Control plus to zoom in. Pan tool to pan up to where you need to go. Go ahead and get the trim tool again. Delete those. Okay. Probably should put another rounded cap in there. It looks like it got kind of messed up. So we'll go ahead and delete this. Zoom out. Not really sure what's going on with that line. So go ahead and hit delete that. And we'll use the 3-point arc. We'll put a line from there to there. That's fine. Click it, select to click off. Control minus to zoom back out. And then we want to put a line right here to close this. So go ahead and get the line tool. We'll go from there to the bottom, click, select to click off of it. Control minus one more time. Go ahead and use the spin tool to spin to see our angle. This is going to be our seal right here. So go ahead and grab the pull tool, the spin tool to move it over so we can see it. Go back to the pull tool, select this part. We're going to use this sweep along, and we're going to double click this line right here. And we're going to go hit this arrow. Okay, now we're going to select to click off. And here's our seal. So we'll go Control minus so you can get a better look at that. Use the spin tool, click and drag. So this would be like if you were going to put this cap on a bottle or something and you wanted it to seal up. So this is our seal right here. So what we can do is go ahead and go to the front view. We can click our plane that we created and go ahead and change the view to section mode. And give it a second. Okay, so this is basically the seal right here. So if we zoom in on this, we're going to pan over to the right. You can see the seal right there. So this is a really handy feature. You can do this to create different kind of angles and rounded corners for if you were going to make like a window frame. It's a great little feature. So okay, we'll go back to the top view, or go back to the front view here. That's going to end today's tutorial. I thank you for watching, and hopefully you found something useful out of this video.